Warning, this video may contain foul language, crude humor, and is meant for an adult audience. Please be advised. Hello and welcome to another edition of War Journal Toys. I am Jason, your toy vigilante, here to be your forward observer in your toy hunting missions. Let's debrief. Okay guys, I'll keep this short and sweet. I did a couple videos on this. Masters of the Universe, Origins, new for 2022, Stridor. Action figure, horse, or vehicle, whatever you want to call it. But I just wanted to show you guys that I picked this up at Target the other day. I just looked at Target online, and some of the stores, there's 7 Targets in the Tucson area, and two or three of them have these in stock. 2 are limited, and some where you could actually reserve it online and then go reserve it at the store and then go pick it up. But want to tell you guys, you should, if you can help it, try not to buy on the secondary market with some of these Masters of the Universe stuff, because if you go out and you toy hunt often, you'll notice. But some of you, if you don't get to go out too often, but there's a glut of Masters of the Universe stuff at Target and Walmart specifically that you can get, like the Land Shark, you can get the Battle Cats, you can get Panthers, you can get the Fuzzy Panthers, you can get the kids Netflix stuff. It's pretty much all available. It's just kind of a glut on the shelf. So don't buy stuff on the secondary market. Have a little bit of patience, because this stuff will get here, and Target will probably have many of these. They don't all show up at once and all sit on the shelf. They kind of come in little spurts, you would say. So I picked this up. It was $30, guys. I've seen this thing for 40, 50, 60, 100. If you've been paying attention, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's definitely a cool and worth getting, because I do have mine, and Fisto is up there hanging out in it. Let's see if I can get this without knocking something down. But yeah, so I mean, it's definitely worth the squeeze if you get it. So I'm Jason. This is War Journal Toys. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.